everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am doing a little flower blowout. I'm having fun with my hair dryer again. So I'm using some thicker paints. So I'm hoping these are going to blow out as easy as they would for a Dutch pour. I know it's not going to be quite as easy because they are thicker, but I've got the hair dryer. I'm going to turn it up on a higher setting and blow them out. But I seem to have a little more luck with thicker paints on my Dutch pour blowouts. I don't know. I'm also actually trying out a new nozzle, so maybe that'll help too. We'll see. Anyways, let's get down the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, so I've got a 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas, and this was a canvas that I scraped the paint off. I tried to do this earlier today and did not have any luck, so I scraped it all and remixed my paints and made them just a touch thicker. So this first color is going to be my Phthalo blue from Amsterdam. This is Arteza's Bordeaux Red. Creative Inspirations in Paynes Gray. Turquoise from Amsterdam. Greenish blue from Amsterdam. 24 karat gold from DecoArt, and this is a metallic white from Liquitex Basics, I believe. Or no, excuse me, Artist Loft. All right. So I am going to flood out my canvas here. A little bit more here. It's kind of giving myself a little puddle. I'm gonna just do some variations of some color. All right, I'm gonna make almost like a flower, kind of. Let's put out Paynes Gray first. Some Bordeaux Red. Some white. Turquoise green. Greenish blue. And some gold. All right. Give this a torch. Got a new attachment, so we'll see how this blows out. I'm going to divide up the petals a little bit. Bring them into the center Just gonna give myself a little bit of the base coat around the outside to blow. All right, one last torch. Let's hope I got enough paint on here that will go over the edge. Let's give it a spin. Worry about this over here. All right, I'm gonna stop it right there. All right, I'm satisfied with it. I don't wanna spin anymore. Everything stayed center, which was really good. The petals stretched out. I can see my colors. My paints were on the thicker side, so definitely could use a little bit thinner paint, but my experiment from earlier, my paints were too thin. So I wanted to get that petal blowout, still keeping that negative space in between the petals. You can see those little lines I brought in were really good too. All right, I'm gonna clean up my edges and then I will bring you guys down. All right guys, so here we are with the wet result. So I like the red and that turquoise green really coming together. Got the gold. I like all the negative space. Got tons of sparkles in there from the 24K gold. A little bit of lacing there. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, guys, so that is it. The piece is still drying. I am gonna show you very, very quick what it's looking like because I don't want anything to shift. There it is. Looks pretty, looking pretty good, but I don't want it to move, so I'm gonna put it back down to dry. So I will put the dried results in my next video when I get home from work, okay? Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a great rest of the weekend. This is Sunday, yes. Have a great rest of your Sunday, and I'll see you next week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.